In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to record your iPhone screen with sound and without. The iPhone comes with a powerful screen recorder already, so you don't need any additional plugins or apps or anything like that to do this. We are going to keep everything relatively simple and short, so I'm just going to record my iPhone screen right now to show you how this is done. So the first thing you want to do is go to your phone settings and then scroll down to Control Center. And right here under included controls, if screen recording is not here, all you just have to do is go down to where you have screen recording and then you click on the plus icon. And here you have the screen recording included into the Control Center. If you scroll down to the Control Center, you see the screen recording right here. You can see I'm recording my screen right now. You can also drag the screen recording to wherever you want it to be by holding down on these three icons, these three line icons. And when you scroll down to the Control Center, you see it right here. And you can move it right to this other side. And when you go to the screen recording, you see it right here. Alright, so to record your screen, all you just have to do is click on the record button. And then you wait for 3 seconds, count down. And yeah, you can start recording your screen. And just a little hack here, let me show you how I created this graphics you are seeing right here. All I did is that I downloaded a transparent PNG image of the iPhone 15 and then I placed it on top of the recording. All you just have to do is go to Google and then search for the iPhone 15 or whichever iPhone you want to use, the iPhone 15 transparent PNG image, and then you just have to place it on top of your recording, and that's how you get this graphics you are seeing right here. So how do you actually record your screen with sound? All you have to do is go down to the Control Center and then you click and hold down the record button, and right here you can see microphone on, and you can click on that to turn on the microphone or you turn off the microphone. And then you click on start recording and you wait for the 3 seconds countdown. And yes, that's just how to record your screen with sound. Super simple hack for today. If you like this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. So also, if you want to learn how to screen record on your PC, I already created a video right here that you can watch right now. My name is Victor Smith. I'll see you in the next video.